Probably one of the last nice days we're gonna get this year. I'm gonna try and get some Christmas lights up. Just got done hanging everything on the peak of the barn. It's the first year to put lights on the barn, so that's kind of exciting. See what we can do here. Full disclosure, I hate ladders and I hate heights. 16 feet's kind of as high as my body wants to go, so getting up to the peak here is absolutely no fun for me whatsoever. But I think we got the high stuff done. Got to run out to the hardware store, pick up some more clips and go around the front here, and then start working on the house and some of the stuff on the ground. So here's a first look at our Christmas lights this year. Kids helped decorate the fence and kind of picked out where lights were gonna go. We have a large property, so it's really hard to make it look bright. I'm actually gonna put a link here to another video I did back in my younger and more ambitious days with my buddy Matt, who refuses to be on my channel. And you guys can take a look at what we once did, and I'll let you know if we put any more lights up this year.